Hello everyone, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. Today, we have an exciting episode about effortless ways to remove stubborn stains. Whether it's spilled wine, tough grease, or mysterious marks, we've got you covered with expert cleaning ideas to tackle these nuisances effortlessly. As always, if you want to stay updated on all things cleaning and organization, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss any of our helpful content. Plus, stick around until the end because we have a fantastic bonus hack that you won't want to miss. Let's dive right in. Grease stains are among the most common and pesky ones to deal with. They often leave a dark and stubborn mark on clothes, making them challenging to remove. But no worries, we have a simple yet effective solution. To remove grease stains effortlessly, follow these simple steps. Absorb excess grease by sprinkling some cornstarch or talcum powder on the stain. Gently pat the powder to absorb the excess grease. Allow it to sit for at least 15 minutes, giving it enough time to work its magic. Gently wipe off the powder with a clean cloth or paper towel. You'll notice that the cornstarch has absorbed a significant amount of the grease. Apply a small amount of dishwashing liquid directly to the stain. Gently rub the fabric together with your fingers, ensuring the soap penetrates the fibers. Allow the dishwashing liquid to sit on the stain for about 10 minutes. This will help break down the grease and make it easier to wash away. Rinse the garment thoroughly with warm water. Check to see if the stain is gone before tossing it into the washing machine. By following these steps, you should have a grease-free garment in no time. Oh no! Red wine spills can be a nightmare, especially when they occur on your favorite shirt or carpet. But don't panic, we have a quick and efficient solution to remove these pesky stains. As soon as the red wine spill happens, quickly grab a clean cloth or paper towel and blot the stain. Avoid rubbing, as it may spread the stain further. Surprisingly, white wine can neutralize the red wine pigments. Pour some white wine directly onto the red wine stain and let it sit for about a minute. After a minute, sprinkle some salt over the affected area, covering the entire stain. Gently rub the salt into the fabric with your fingers. The salt helps lift the stain from the fibers. Rinse with cold water, making sure to wash away all the wine and salt. Check if the stain is gone. If not, repeat the process until it disappears. Your fabric should now be spotless and ready to wear or use again. Ink stains may seem daunting, but worry not. With our expert cleaning hack, you'll bid them farewell in no time. Ink stains can happen on clothing, upholstery, or even walls. To remove them effortlessly, follow these steps. Start by dampening the stained area with rubbing alcohol or hand sanitizer. The alcohol helps to break down the ink pigments and makes them easier to remove. Use a clean cloth and gently blot the stain. Avoid rubbing, as it may spread the ink further. In a bowl, mix a small amount of water with a few drops of mild dish soap. Use this mixture to continue blotting the stain until most of the ink transfers onto the cloth. Rinse the fabric with cold water, making sure to wash away all traces of ink and soap. Allow the item to air dry. Check the stain status and repeat the process if necessary until the stain is completely gone. Your garment should be ink-free and ready to wear again. Coffee spills can be frustrating, especially on porous surfaces like clothing or countertops. But we have an effective remedy for that. To remove coffee stains effortlessly, follow these steps. As with any spill, start by blotting the coffee stain immediately. Use a clean cloth or paper towel and gently blot the stain to absorb as much coffee as possible. In a bowl, mix equal parts of white vinegar and water. Dampen a clean cloth or sponge with the vinegar-water mixture. Gently dab the stained area with a vinegar-water-soaked cloth or sponge. Vinegar's acidity helps break down the coffee residue. Rinse the area with water and pat it dry with a clean cloth. If the stain persists, repeat the process until the surface is immaculate. Blood stains can be daunting, but fear not, we've got a solution. It's essential to treat blood stains as soon as possible for the best results. Follow these steps to remove blood stains effortlessly. As soon as you notice the blood stain, rinse the area under cold running water. The cold water helps prevent the blood from setting into the fabric. Mix a tablespoon of salt with 2 tablespoons of cold water to form a paste. Apply the paste directly to the blood stain. Use a soft brush to gently scrub the paste into the stain. The salt acts as an abrasive and helps lift the blood from the fabric. Rinse the fabric thoroughly with cold water. If the stain persists, repeat the process until it's gone. Remember never to use warm or hot water on a blood stain, as it can set the stain and make it more difficult to remove. Grass stains can be a common headache, especially for those with active lifestyles. But fret not, we have a hack for that. Follow these steps to remove grass stains effortlessly. Start by allowing the mud to dry completely. Once dried, gently brush off as much mud as possible with a soft bristled brush. Mix a tablespoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to create a paste. Apply the paste to the stain and let it sit for about 20 minutes. After the waiting period, gently scrub the stain with a brush or cloth. The baking soda's gentle abrasive action should help lift the grass stain. Rinse the item with cold water and let it air dry. Your shoes or clothes will look as good as new. Congratulations, you've made it to the bonus hack. This one is a game changer. Did you know that toothpaste can be a miraculous stain remover? Whether it's crayon marks on walls or scuffs on shoes, apply a small amount of non-gel toothpaste to the stain and gently scrub it with a soft brush or cloth. Rinse the area, and you'll be amazed by the results. Toothpaste is a cost-effective and versatile cleaning agent that belongs in every cleaning arsenal. Remember, these tips are not only efficient but also use readily available items found in most households. Don't forget to subscribe to The Big Sweep and hit the notification bell so you never miss a valuable tip. If you have any questions or want to share your cleaning hacks, drop them in the comments below. And, of course, let us know if you tried any of these methods and how they worked for you. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more helpful content, click here to watch the next video.